After 50, we tend to think about our waist in one way, how it looks. But there's another side of your waist that matters just as much, how well it moves. Your body bends to the side, it turns, it reaches, and the muscles around your trunk help you perform all of those everyday movements. The problem is, we often spend much of the day sitting, and many workouts focus on only one direction of movement. So today, we're going to keep things simple. Just 2 chair exercises. One will challenge the muscles along the sides of your waist. The other will work on controlled rotation. No floor exercises, no complicated equipment, just a sturdy chair and a few minutes of your time. Let's get started. If you're over 50 and you want simple exercises you can actually do at home, subscribe to the channel. Every week, we're working on strength, mobility, and movement, without making exercise unnecessarily complicated. Now let's start with the side of your waist. Exercise 1. Seated side bend. This first movement focuses on the muscles along the sides of your trunk, including your obliques. We're going to keep the movement slow and controlled. You don't need a big bend. You don't need to touch the floor. You just need enough movement to challenge your body. Here's your setup. Sit toward the front half of your chair. Place both feet flat on the floor. Keep your feet about hip-width apart. Sit tall. You don't need to lean against the back of the chair. Place your right hand lightly behind your head. Let your left arm rest down by your side. Take a comfortable breath in, and as you breathe out, slowly bend your upper body toward the left. Your left hand moves down toward your left leg. Your right elbow moves slightly upward. Think about bringing your left ribs toward your left hip. Don't collapse forward. Don't rotate. Just bend gently to the side. And here's the important part. Keep both hips connected to the chair. You don't need to reach the floor. Go only as far as you can comfortably control. Now slowly return to the center. That's one. Now we'll switch sides. Place your left hand lightly behind your head. Let your right arm rest down. And slowly bend toward the right. Then return to center. Let's continue. We'll do 8 repetitions on each side. Slowly, no rushing. Your range of motion does not have to be large. A smaller movement that you can control is absolutely fine. Where should you feel it? You may notice the muscles along the side of your waist working. You may also notice a gentle stretch on the opposite side. That's normal. You don't need to feel a burning sensation for the exercise to be useful. Focus on controlled movement. One common mistake: don't pull your head forward with your hand. Your hand is simply there for support. Think about moving your rib cage toward your hip, rather than moving your head toward your knee. If one side feels tighter, that's okay. Don't force the tighter side to match the other side. Use a smaller range, and gradually work on your mobility over time. If bending bothers your back, make the movement smaller. Sit taller. Focus on a gentle side bend, rather than trying to reach farther. And if the movement causes pain, stop. One more round. Let's do 4 more each side. Right hand behind the head. Bend left, return, switch, bend right, return, slow, controlled, and breathe. Excellent. That's your first movement. Now we're going to take your waist through a completely different movement pattern, rotation. Exercise 2, seated torso twist. Your first exercise challenged your ability to bend from side to side. This one is different. We're going to work on controlled rotation. You use this type of movement in everyday life when you turn to look behind you, reach across a table, or turn your upper body while keeping your feet planted. Let's set up. Sit tall toward the front of your chair. Place both feet flat on the floor. Keep your feet about hip-width apart. You can cross your arms over your chest. Or, if that's comfortable for you, extend your arms forward. Choose the position that feels most stable. Now here's the most important part. Keep your hips facing forward. Your feet stay planted. Your knees stay relatively still. Your upper body does the rotation. Now slowly rotate your upper body toward the right. Only go as far as you can comfortably control. Pause briefly, then slowly return to the center. Now rotate toward the left. Pause and return. Right, center, left, center. That's 1 rotation in each direction. Let's do 5 controlled rotations each way. There's no need to move quickly. In fact, Slower is better here. You are practicing control, not trying to see how far you can twist. Keep your chest lifted. Keep your breathing relaxed, and let your hips stay steady. Where should you feel it? You may feel the muscles around your abdomen and sides of your waist working as you rotate. You may also feel movement through your upper and middle back. That's okay. The goal is comfortable, controlled rotation. If you feel this mostly in your lower back, first, make the movement smaller. Sit taller, slow down, and make sure your feet remain firmly planted. If you continue to feel pain, stop the exercise. If your hips are moving too much, that's your signal to reduce the range. Think, shoulders move, hips stay steady. You don't need a huge twist. A small controlled rotation is enough. If this feels too difficult, cross your arms over your chest instead of extending them forward. That reduces the leverage and may make the movement feel more comfortable. You can also reduce the rotation. Start where you are, build from there. Let's finish with 5 more each way. Sit tall, feet planted, rotate right, center, rotate left, center. Keep breathing, right, center, left, center. 1 more each side, and return to center. Excellent. You just completed 2 different types of movement for your waist. Side bending and rotation. Now, let's be realistic about what these exercises can and cannot do. These movements can help you strengthen and challenge the muscles around your trunk, while practicing movements like bending and rotation. But they cannot selectively remove fat from your waist. There isn't one exercise that can tell your body exactly where to lose fat. What these exercises can give you is something much more practical. A simple way to work on strength and movement consistently. And consistency matters. You don't need to start with a difficult workout. You need a routine that you can actually keep doing. As these movements become easier, you can gradually add repetitions or another round. Now I want you to tell me something. Which exercise challenged you more? The side bend or the torso twist? Put side bend or torso twist in the comments. And if this workout was useful, give the video a like. If you want more simple chair exercises designed for adults over 50, subscribe to the channel. You don't need a complicated workout. You need movements you can do and a reason to keep doing them. I'll see you in the next workout.